فَاذْكُرُونِي أَذْكُرُكُمْ وَاشْكُرُوا لِي وَلَا تَكْفُرُونَ. So you remember me, I will remember you, and you be thankful to me and do not be ungrateful. So Allah give us this ability to remember Him all the time, and this is where the secret of eternal happiness, not just this world, eternal happiness lies.
شكرا يا ربي شكرا هديت قلبي شكرا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. نحمد ونصلي على رسوله الكريم اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى له. Alhamdulillah, all thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gave us this ability to gather for remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is our weekly program. This weekly meditation program is to heal the hearts and to remove the dirt of this word from the heart, and to seek and help each other with the real happiness of the heart, which comes through the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which comes only through the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. A person might get the illusion of happiness, the mirage of happiness by material words, but he can or she can never achieve the true happiness without the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In one of the hadiths, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, more or less to the meaning, that if a person displeases Allah, in order to please people, if a person displeases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah gets displeased with him, and He makes those people displeased with the person as well, for whom he displeased Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And on the other side, if a person, in order to please Allah, if he happens to displease the people, Allah becomes pleased with him, Allah becomes happy with him, and He also makes those people whom He had displeased, He makes those people pleased with the person as well, so much so that He makes that person honorable in front of those people. So we should not worry about what a person will say or what this person will say. People have to talk. This is a word. Every kind of person is there. We should not worry about what this person will think or that person will think. We should always keep in front what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will see and think about, whether we will like or dislike anything that I am doing in public or private. Because Allah is the one we are dealing with. Allah is the one who gave us everything. If anybody likes anything in us, it's all from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not from us. So the same people who love us, if Allah did not give us certain things, they might be the same person, the people, they would be hating us. So it is all coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the real happiness that all the world is looking and searching, and that comes with the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is simple message, but shaitan and this dunya and the desires, they have made it very, very complicated. A person tries to search everywhere except through the remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, where it is really hidden. And the remembrance is not just by tongue. Remembrance has to happen at the heart, and the heart has to be connected with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is a wireless communication. Wireless communication is only that wireless you cannot see, but it exists. What, if a person, you tell to anybody that, oh, no, this wireless communication is nothing, there's nothing in the world, the people are just crazy, there's nothing. No, there is this wireless communication, this 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, this Wi-Fi, you're sitting in the room, from where these things are entering in your phone, and then they are going out, download, upload. Where is it happening? Can you see anything? Can you hear anything in the room? It's not there. It's wireless. So it's just as simple as it is. The system of Allah, the system of angels, the hidden system of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it all exists. It's just our eyes cannot see. And this communication with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Zikr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is more valuable and more real thing than anything else, because Allah created human being for this, for his recognition, for this connection, for this connection of the human being. This Zikr of Allah, the remembrance of Allah is the core of every single worship, of every single the religion, the Abrahamic religion, or the religion that came through the prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, through Ibrahim alayhi salam, through Musa alayhi salam, through Jesus alayhi salam, Isa alayhi salam, and Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. It is again the same message, to turn towards your Creator. And that turning towards your Creator, what does that mean? Turning towards your Creator with heart. That heart gets concentrated and turning towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the whole effort of shaitan and this world is that this heart should be unmindful of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this meditation is all about finding yourself, because if you don't know what lies in this 5-6 feet body, and then in this, if you don't know yourself, you cannot know who Allah is. In one of the hadith, that who recognized himself, he recognized Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because in your body, وَفِي أَنفُسِكُمْ, Allah has created his body and soul with millions of his signs. But once this heart is not in remembrance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then people with all these millions of signs, person cannot see those. So Allah gave us this ability to stay in connection, this wireless connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is wireless connection. Zikr qalb is wireless connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is a two-way connection all the time. فَاذْكُرُونِي أَذْكُرُكُمْ وَاشْكُرُوا لِي وَلَا تَكْفُرُونَ. So you remember me, I will remember you, and you be thankful to me and do not be ungrateful. So Allah give us this ability to remember Him all the time, and this is where the secret of eternal happiness, not just this word, eternal happiness lies. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina. Now we will focus on our heart for a few minutes, and inshallah every day a person should spare for a few minutes to dig this treasure. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد كما تحب وترضى. يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك عظيم سلطانك. يا ربي صل وسلم دائما ابدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. اللهم انا على ذكرك شكرك حسن عبادتك. اللهم انت السلام ومنك السلام تبارك يا ذا الجلال والاكرام. Oh Allah, help us remember you. Oh Allah, remove all the anxieties, all the stress from our hearts. Oh Allah, wash our hearts with the noor, with the light of your name. Oh Allah, whoever, wherever he joins, she joins, oh Allah, clean our hearts from the filth, from the dirt of looking at haram, listening haram. Oh Allah, clean our hearts with your remembrance, with the desires, with the endless desires. Oh Allah, clean our hearts from all this filth, oh Allah, from jealousy, from hatred, from love of this world, which is the root of all sicknesses. Oh Allah, help us remember you, be connected, and we're looking forward to meet you. Oh Allah, make it easy for us, oh Allah. Allahumma inna nas'aluka min khayri ma sa'alaka minhu nabiyyuka sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wa na'udhu bika min sharri ma sta'adha minhu nabiyyuka sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam, wa antal musta'an wa alaykum wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.